Yes, friends, how are you all? In previous lecture, we discussed high-level languages for cloud computing. Okay, high-level languages for cloud. Okay, we discussed some points of Java. Okay, and today we will discuss inheritance. Okay, how to attach two classes in Java. Okay, so we will discuss about inheritance. Okay, so let's start. If we talk about inheritance in Java, Java supports some types of inheritance. First, it is called single level inheritance. Okay, single level inheritance. Okay, if we talk about multi-level A, B, and C, it is called multi-level inheritance. Okay, and if we talk about multiple, it is called multiple inheritance. Okay, and if we talk about this one, this is called hierarchical inheritance. Okay, first single level, second multi-level, third multiple, and this is called hierarchical inheritance. Okay, so we will talk about all these things. Okay, let's go. First of all, single level. Okay, we have to make a class a void show system dot out dot print. I need to give any message hello. Okay, next class B, public static void main string args. Now I need to create object of class a a1 equal to new a1 dot show. We discussed this thing earlier. Okay, we have made one class. Okay, and we have made a main class and main method. We created object here. A1 is an object here. Okay, this is default constructor here. With the help of this object, we call this method a1 dot show. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to attach our two classes. Suppose that if I write here class double A, okay, extends A, class double A extends A. Okay, next void show one, next system dot out dot print Java. Okay. Now I need to object of class double A a1 equal to new double A. Okay, a1 dot show and a1 dot show 1. Okay. Once again, how to attach two classes with the help of extends keyword. Okay, extends a class a void show. This is class 1. Okay, and this is a second class. Okay, and here we created main class, main method. Inside the main method we have to create object of this class. Okay, and we have to call method show and show one. Okay, if this is called single level inheritance. Okay, if we talk about multi-level, okay, we have to attach one more class. Okay, so let us see. Class BB extends double A. Okay, this is class 1, this is class 2, and this is class 3. Okay, void show 2 system dot out dot print. Okay, C++. Okay, this is class A, void show system dot out dot print. This is class second. Okay, we have to write complete form system dot out dot print. Okay, because of space I wrote okay, small forms. Okay, but we have to write a full form system dot out dot print. Okay, next, this is class third. Class BB extends a void show to system dot out dot print C++. This one. Now we have to create. Now we have to create main method, main class. Okay, suppose that class CC public static void main string args. Okay, now we have to create object of class bb b equal to new bb. Okay, b dot show b dot show 1 and b dot show 2. Okay, this is called multi-level inheritance. Once again, we go through it. First of all, we have to make class 1. Second, we have to make class second class a extends a. Okay, इस क्लास को इस क्लास के साथ हमने जोड़ दिया, कनेक्ट कर दिया. नेक्स्ट क्लास BB extends डबल a. इस क्लास को इस क्लास के साथ हमने जोड़ दिया with the help of extends keyword. Okay, next method print message, and we have closed curly braces. After then we made main class, main method. We have to create object of class BB. Okay, BB b equal to new BB, b dot show 1, b dot show 2. Okay, and we have closed curly braces. So this is called multi-level inheritance. Okay, next let's talk about multiple. Multiple inheritance according to diagram A and B and C. So we have to make two classes first, A and B. Class A void show hello. Okay, next class B void shown system dot out dot print Java. Okay, next class C extends a B. Okay, next void show to system dot out dot print C++. Okay, now we have to create object of class C. Okay, here we can create main method class J, public static void main string args c1 equal to new c1 dot show c1 dot show 1 c1 dot show 2. So in multiple inheritance, we have to according to diagram we have to make class A. Next B, we have to make class B. Okay, next we have to make class C, and C is attached with A and B. Okay, class C extends A and B. Void show to system.out.print C++. This one class. Next we have to create a main class, main method. Okay, and we have to create an object of class c1 equal to new c1 dot show, c1 dot show 1 and c1 dot show 2. Output will be hello Java C++. In multiple inheritance, we have to make class A, class B, and A and B is combined with C. Okay. Next, let's talk about hierarchical inheritance. Let's talk about hierarchical inheritance. A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Okay. So if we talk about syntax, okay, first of all we have to make class A. Okay, next we have to make class B extends A. Next we have to make class C extends A. Okay, so first of all we have to make class A, we have created. Next we have to make class B, we have created. Okay, D is attached with A, B extends A. Next we created class C, C is attached with A, C extends A. Okay, Now, if we talk about object, we have to make two objects in hierarchical inheritance of class B and class C. Okay, the object of B class can access the properties of class B as well as A, but it cannot access the property of C. But the object of class C, it can access the property of C as well as A. It can't access the property of B. Okay, so this is all about hierarchical inheritance or inheritance. Okay, so we discussed single level, multi-level, multiple hierarchical inheritance in Java. Okay, I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.